Did you know that the average home has a half a mile of gaps and cracks, and that those gaps and cracks account for 30% of your home's energy loss? A product I love to use for those larger gaps is Great Stuff Big Gap Filler. It'll keep the air you want in, and the air you want to stay out. We have to do a few things, and then I can go ahead and show you how to get started. And remember, before you use any Great Stuff product, you need your protective eyewear, your gloves, and your long sleeve shirt. Then, securely apply the Smart Dispenser to the can, shake for 60 seconds, and you're ready to start air sealing. The Great Stuff family is cost-effective and easy to use, and will improve the energy efficiency, comfort, and safety of your home. And it's as easy as that. Great Stuff Big Gap Filler will seal gaps and cracks around your home up to 3 inches, creating a long-lasting, airtight, water-resistant seal, making your home more energy efficient and comfortable for years to come. To see the whole product lineup and learn just how versatile the Great Stuff family is, visit us at greatstuff.com and follow us on Facebook. You can also find us on designingspaces.tv.